Hi everyone, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve there is an interesting problem that is the base time to buy and sell stock. That is the type 4. Basically, you are given an integer array price where price I is the price of given stock on the ith day, and an integer k is basically find the maximum profit you can achieve. You may complete at most k transaction between that. So you may not have to the multiple transactions simultaneously. That means you must sell the stock before you can buy again. So how much I will try in that because I'm trying to implement through the dynamic programming. First I will do that. So first dry run, and then after that I am trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. So basically what is that? I'll have to take that the example of that. I'll have to take that the example basically. So I'm taking that second of 326,503. That is 326,503, and k is equals to 2 there. So basically what happened that there is a condition there, that is 2 and 6. Basically it giving me 4, and 0 and 3, that giving me 3. So if I've been taking both of them, so that is 4 plus 3, that is 7. So that is how I can, because I took a stock in the if I've been taking, that is a first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. That is the way. Basically the second day I've been picking up, and I will bought at the third day, and after I will take that fifth day, and I will sell it on the sixth day. So that is mean that the span of that is the complete transaction between that. That is the k is equals to 1 and k is equals to 2 there. So that is how is the way I can implement that. So basically I previously said that I am trying to do that through the dynamic programming. So at that condition, what is basically changing through there? So first k is given. So if I'll in passing through the value is starting from 0, suppose. So basically when I is become is equals to k, at that condition it will become overlapsed. So that is being changing. So k is being changing. So that is an unique parameter, and I'll have to find that the first unique character, which is every time it will be changing. So first k is being changing, and I'll have to check that every value. So I need the position of that array basically. So first that one, if I've been taking that one, so basically the position is the another variable. So that will automatically change if after another recursive call or the every iteration after that. And another case that the another condition, that is if I bought the stock or not. If I not bought the stock, that will be the false case, and if I bought the case, that will be the true case. So basically that is the three basic unique parameter. So I need to make that the 3D dynamic approach basically. So first I will take that basically the previous one, that is the position of that is the problem, taking the position and the previous one is k, and after that and that is the if I've been taking that is a 2 or 3 basically, if I've been taking as 3. So that is the way I can handle that. So what is happening, that first we'll have to check that the two basic knowledge of that, and which position of that, which position currently I will not take that. I will not taking that stock. So that's I have been skipping that. So that will be the position plus 1, but otherwise k will be stick the previous one, and which the value has been coming from that parameter, that will be same as that. But first we'll have to check that if I bought, that means we'll have to sell that. So if I've been taking that as a parameter, that is b, so that is b will be max of B will be max of B. That will not, I am not picking up. So basically I am not I mean that I am not taking any transaction. That means suppose the bot is true. Bot is true. It means that I already bought the stock. So right now we'll have to don't require to I thought that I'll not pick up that stock. So that is the way I've been skipping through there. But if I thought that I have a stock, so we'll have to we'll have to sell that. So that is why I have been calling the recursive function, that is the position plus 1, that is the k minus 1, because I have been taking at one transaction for there. So that one, and it will become reverse. Because right now I have no stock in my hand. But otherwise case it means that the bot will be fault. That means I have no any stock. So in that case, that is also same for there. So the skipping condition, that is B, and solve, and position plus 1 and k minus 1. Okay, I will forgot there. So we'll have to I already bought, so we'll have to sell it. So if I sell that, I will take that amount which will be the sold price, that will be taken into my account. So that will be adding that value of the basically the price of that position. And right now I'll have don't have any stock, so we'll have to bought. So that is automatically that is being reversed for previous case, and that is the transaction fee of that time. So that means the stock price basically. So that is why the price minus that is the position. So that is which will be the maximum, that will be the updating into that variable. That is a memorization I will be doing through that. So basically my time complexity will be n cross m. Basically n is the maximum, the price list size, and the k basically n into k. But into 2 if I have been taken into that, but there will be always constant. So if I have been removing the constant, so basically the order of n cross k, and the space complexity will become that I have been taking to the position plus 1 into k plus 1 into 3. So that is also an if I have been taking position as a over n, and that is into k, so that is n cross k is the space complexity also. So right now I am trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. So first I'll make that integer n is equals to prices dot size integer. Okay, is already present, so there will be no record to do that. So vector of integer, first one, second one, third one, then the dp, then we'll have to initialize that. So first we'll have to make that as a position, so n plus 1, then vector of integer of the k plus 1, and then after that vector of integer of 3, and that will be all are minus 1. So right now my initialization part has been completed. So after that I will return the making a function which have been mentioned there. So basically I have been passing through that n, k, position, which will be the tracking of that position pointer, and the position will have to that going to there, and I'll have been taking into that k also, capital K have been passing through there. First basically initially there is in 0, we'll have to send the prices, and we'll have to make that passing through the dp basically also. So right now we'll have to make that function there. So basically integer solve integer n, integer k, integer k, integer position, integer current k, and the vector of integer I'm taking that as a reference, so using the ampersand there, and there is a vector of dp we'll have to passing that as a reference also, that one. So I'll have to first the base condition there. So base condition will be if my position is greater than or equals to n, or current k will be equals to greater than or equals to the k basically. In that condition I will return 0, and first then I'll have to make that condition, that means in valuable value is become solve, and n and k has been constant. Sorry, no, there will be okay. nk there is the position plus 1, I've been skipping for there. Current k become constant, and prices and the dp, and after that if I forgot to send the bot value, so first case that is 0, sending that false, so 0, and I'll taking that as a boolean basically, bool bot, so I've been passing that as 0. So if there is a bot, so right now I'll have a already bot, we'll have to we'll have to sell that. So max of value comma solve n comma k comma position plus 1 and current k minus 1, because I am taking that as a transaction there. Prices dp, and it will reverse there bot, and after that selling I'll get that money, so I'll have to adding that value, so the prices of position, and else case that will be the same but the value will be reversing there, I mean that deducting, because we'll have to put that amount to say buy this stock basically. So that was, and after that I will return the value. First I will check that as a is my recursion technique is correct or not, then after that I will make that as a memorized. And 2, it's giving me, okay, I forgot to send that, okay, the bot will be sent. Vector of integer, okay, I'll have to send that as a vector of integer, initial as a no matching constructor, okay, what will do that, vector of vector, that one maybe extra one, maybe, hold on, I'll have to check that. Oh, that is in vector of vector, that is an integer, and Then after that vector of integer has been completed. So vector of integer, that one, then that one. So next part, vector of vector, so that is the third part. So after that I will deduct there. So dp of vector of integer and vector of integer. Okay, so first one, second one, and the third one. Yeah, I think I'm correct for there. But what is it that? Okay, in plus 1 k1 vector of integer, if I've been doing that, but that is vector of vector of vector, one vector, two vector, that is already that is okay, maybe that is okay, vector of vector. Yeah, that is why that is occurring that. Okay, that is not an error right now, so we'll have to pass that one. Position, position, yes, okay, that will be in starting, that is in 0. Okay, current k value will be okay, there will be then condition there. I'll reversing that. Okay, I'll forgot that. When k become current k is equals to 0 in that case, and in that case there will be, I've been passing that as a k. Let me check that. Then after that I'll okay, 2 and 4 less than or equals to. Hold on. That is 1 current k. Current k will be about there, that will be reversing that, and then after that I will deduct that value. Basically I will deduct that value if it bought there, basically maximum of that, and then after that the position of that. So I'll sell that, so that the value will be adding into that. So same here, maximum of that, the value in k is the constant, position plus 1, at the current k minus 1, prices dp I'll have to check that first. If dp of position of k and the bot is not equals to minus 1, in that case that will be return that value. dp of position of k bot return that value, that one. Let me check there. Hold on, it's giving me wrong answer. If I'm sending it there as a wrong, solving the in k, so position will be starting from 0, current k is, that k if current key is less than or equals to 0, okay, then prices the dp. So I think there will be no record to do in there basically, so I'll putting that as a outside of that function and also k there. Maybe that's why it is happening there. So let me check that. I'll have to dp.resize there. dp.resize there. And in k will be missing, the dp will be missing there. The dk and the k and the dp, and after that okay, k is okay, current k is the current k, what of that current k, that is the value, that is the position, and k plus 1 have been passing through there. K will be deducting and the dp will not be passing through there. Yeah, maybe let me check that my logic is correct or not. Oh, it's giving me same here. Why it is giving me there? It is giving me here the problem. If I have been position up there, that in that case I will position of current k and bot is equals to there, not minus 1. Okay, I've been already doing that. So in that case n will be constant, the position will be keeping that the value on the current k will be constant and the bot value which has been given through there. So after that if that is a bot, if there is a bot, that will have to be sold, so that is why I have been adding that on as a first part, and that will be reverse the next. So bot, and else case that will be the maximum, that will be the same case, and the plus minus 1, that one. So what is doing here basically, what is happening, why it is happening? Hold on, logic is correct there basically. Why it is happening? The position plus 1, current k minus 1, when that is entered into the current k case, so in that condition the price is current k position value will be the same, okay, that is okay, and I will be doing that same, and the prices and the bot condition will be reversed for there, so position, current k and the bot, there is a 3 valuable there basically in that condition, so I will do that. There is a position plus 1 and that one is basically that one. Okay, that if I have been doing through there, so not, that is not okay. If I have been doing that outside that one, no, not the way that has to be marking through there. Basically if I have been maximum of val, that will be the position plus 1 and the t will be constant for there, and the price and bot has to be passing into there. So basically that one, and fast will be have been passing through there as an, let me check that false if I've been passing through there. that was same here was 2 and 4. Why it's happening? Why it is happening? Position, price position, and that one, and then after that what is happening? That position plus 1, and if I've been taking that one, okay. I have been creating it. Okay, I'll find that. I'm finding that basically the transaction will not be counting in account, because when I've been taking that buying that the stock, until I'm covering the full sell, basically until I sold, until I sell the stock, the transaction has not been fulfilled. So that is why it may cause a wrong answer, maybe. Yeah, it's same way. So that is the main logic behind that. Until I sell the stock, the transaction has not been fulfilling. So that is why I am not taking that as a -1. If I have been taking that as a -1, so every step when I have been taking buy, that is also taken into account as a transaction, and when I sell, so that is also taken into account as a transaction. So that is why giving me as a wrong answer. So right now I'm trying to submit my logic as a my ultimate, so trying to submit there. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.